In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a SharePoint group, Microsoft SharePoint, permissions, 2026 tutorial. Creating a SharePoint group is the cleanest way to manage access for multiple people at once. Instead of assigning permissions user by user, you'll assign them to a group and keep everything consistent and easy to maintain. You'll need to be a site owner or have similar permissions to follow along. Start by opening SharePoint and heading to the specific site where you want this group to live. It's important to do this from the target site because the group you create will be scoped to that site's permissions. Once you're on the site, look to the top right corner and select the gear icon to open settings. From there, choose Site Permissions to view how access is structured for the site. On the Site Permissions panel, locate and open Advanced Permissions settings. This takes you to the Classic Permissions page, which gives you full control over groups and permission levels. At the top of this page, in the ribbon, select Create Group. That opens the new group form. Give your group a unique descriptive name that clearly communicates its purpose, like the team or function it serves. A short description is helpful too, especially for future admins who might not know why the group exists. Next, set the group owner. This is typically the site's owners group or a specific person who will manage membership and approve join requests. Choose someone who is accountable for keeping access accurate and up to date. Configure the group settings for visibility and membership control. Decide who can view the group's membership and who can edit it, owners only or members as well. Then choose whether to allow requests to join or leave. If you enable requests, specify how they're handled, such as sending them to the group owner for approval. This helps balance openness with control and auditability. Under Give Group Permissions to this site, pick the permission level the group should have. Common choices include Read for view-only access, Contribute for adding and editing content, Edit for broader changes, and Full control for admins. Select the minimum level that still lets people do their work. The principle of least privilege keeps your site secure and tidy. When everything looks right, select Create. SharePoint will create the group with your chosen settings and permissions. You'll see the new group listed on the site's permissions page, ready for you to manage as your team evolves. That's it. Your SharePoint group is set up, documented, and permissioned the right way.